Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-85 in our 19th video of the series. We begin at mile 46 in Mecklenburg County, just outside the northern Charlotte city limits. At mile 48, I-85 junctions with the I-485 loop for a second time with a turbine-style interchange. On May 25, 2012, this section of highway between the Charlotte city limits and the Cabarrus County line was dedicated in honor of famed NASCAR driver and local resident Jeff Gordon, who won his first race, the Coca-Cola 600, at the Charlotte Motor Speedway in 1994. We enter Cabarrus County, which has an estimated population of 201,590 as of 2016. The first gold was found in the United States here in 1799, and among its historic sites is the Reed Gold Mine, a National Historic Landmark. Coleman Manufacturing Company, started in 1897, is believed to be the first cotton mill in the nation to be built, owned, and operated by African Americans. Self-branded as the center of American Motorsports, Cabarrus County is rich in NASCAR history. The western part of the county is home to a large racing complex in Concord, including Charlotte Motor Speedway, which hosts 3 NASCAR Cup Series events a year, the dirt track at Charlotte Motor Speedway, and Z-Max Dragway, which now hosts the NHRA Full Throttle Drag Racing Series twice a year. A state-of-the-art and first-of-its-kind wind tunnel, Wind Shear, opened July 18, 2008 in Concord. It offers aerodynamic testing facilities to NASCAR and Formula One racing teams and automobile manufacturers. We enter the edge of the city of Kannapolis, which lies mostly to the west of I-85. The city was incorporated in 1984, and early on the area was referred to as Cannon City or Kannapolis for the Cannon Mills textile manufacturing company that was based in what would become Kannapolis, which is spelled with a K. The company was founded in 1888 and closed in 2003. Kannapolis has an estimated population of 47,839. We begin to pass through another construction project, which includes reconfiguring the Dale Earnhardt Boulevard interchange and replacing some overpasses to meet current design and clearance requirements. At mile 58, US Highway 601 merges into I-85 and runs concurrent for the next 16 miles. We reach Rowan County, founded in 1753, and with an estimated population of 140,644. The county was named for Matthew Rowan, a British administrator who served as acting governor of North Carolina from 1753 to 1754. We conclude today's drive at exit 68. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.